Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today under Amazing Math Tricks, I will show you how to do multiplication of two numbers very easily, quickly and within seconds. So let's see how to do this. Hello friends, today under Amazing Math Tricks, I will show you how to do the multiplication of two large numbers very quickly, very easily and within few seconds, so that it will be helpful during the time of any competitive exam or even during the school exam. So let's see what we can do. Now let's say we have these two numbers 78 into 52. Okay, so let's see how to do the multiplication of these two numbers so that we can do it very quickly. Okay, now 78 into 58, what I will do, just I will draw a cross. Okay, and we will see here. So we have 78 into here we have 78 into 52. Just I will write 78 and 52. Here also I will write 78 and 52. Here also I will write 78 and 52. Now coming to the right side, our focus is on this 8 and 2. Coming on to the left side, our focus is on 7 and 5. Okay, now for the middle, just we are going to a cross multiplication. Okay, now here in the left side 7 5 is a 35, and in the right side 8 2 is a 16 we are getting. And now let us do a cross multiplication. 7 into 2 is 14, 5 is a 40. So we are going to add these two things and we are going to put it in the middle. Now guys, from 16 just I will take the unit digit and I will just add this 1 to 4 and my number will become 5. And similarly here 35, I will add this 5 to 35 and my number will become 40. So the required digits are 4056. This is the answer. So guys, don't you feel that this is super easy? 4056 is our answer. You could see that how quickly we are able to find out the multiplication of these two numbers. Just it is taking some time because I am showing you, but when you people will be doing yourself, it will take hardly few seconds. Now let us move ahead and do the multiplication sum one or two more numbers so that it will be very clear what we are doing. Okay, now let me take another two numbers. Let's say 63 into 12. 63 into 12. You could get any number on your way and you can pick it up and you can put those two numbers in this sequence so that it would be very easy for us to do the calculations. Now 63 I will just write in this way, 63 and 12, 63 and 12. Now our focus is here on this one, our focus is here on this one, and we are doing a cross multiplication. So 6 1s are 6, 3 2s are 6, and here 6 2s are 12 and 3 1s are 3, and we are going to add these two and we are getting 15. Now on the unit place we are getting 6 and in the middle we will have 5 and just we will take this 1 and add to this 6. So we are getting 756. Guys, don't you feel that this is easy? Our answer is 756. Multiplication of 63 into 12 is nothing but 756. You could see how quickly we are able to do this. Guys, we will take just one more multiplication and we will see how quickly we are able to do this. Now let us take two numbers 18 into 51. Let's see what we are getting from this. Now I will quickly put those things in this box. 18 51, 18 51. We need to be very careful so that we don't end up in writing these digits at least improperly. We should be very careful. So this our focus is here. 5 1s are 5 and 8 1s are 8. And now if I do a cross multiplication, I am getting here 40, 5 8s are 40 and 1. So I am getting 41, and here it is 8 and here it is 5 plus 4 is 9. My answer is 918. So guys, don't you feel that this is easy? Hope guys you understood this process or this calculation. This calculation is super easy, and within very few seconds or within some seconds we can find out the multiplication of two large numbers. Guys, if you really like my videos, kindly subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.